In this video, we're going to graph and interpret quantitative and qualitative data sets using stem leaf plots and dot plots. So they show you a stem leaf plot here. We'll talk about it in just a second. So use the stem leaf plot to list the actual data entries and what is the maximum data entry and what is the minimum data entry. So our key here that says 2 and then has a line and then 7 that tells us that that means 27. You absolutely must have a key like that when you make a stem leaf plot. It's usually your first entry that you have that you make the key for. So we have 27, 34, 41, 42, 42, 44, 46, 46, 47, 50, 51, 51, 52, 53, 53, 53, 54, 54, 54, 54, 55, 56, 56, 58, 59, 67, 67, 67, 73, 77, 77, and 85. So that is going to be D here is the correct list, and the maximum entry here is going to be 85, and the minimum data entry is going to be 27. If you followed along with me as I read all those, you should have seen set D. It is not, the line does not represent a decimal point like in C. It's another thing that we could use the line for, nor in A. And they did not give the repeated digits, like there was 51, 51, 53, 53, 53, so on. They didn't give all those repeated entries in B, is what was wrong with B. All right, use a stem leaf plot to display the data, which represents the scores of a biology class on a midterm exam. So your key is going to be that 3 bar 3 here is equal to 33. So let's sort this list first. It looks like everything is in 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. So I'm just going to roughly make one and then we'll sort it. So 68 I have, and 67 I have, and I think that's it. 75 here, 77, another 75, a 76, a 79, and any other 70s? Nope. 85, 80, 87, 82, 88, 80, and then 85, 87, another 85, and I have 90, 95, 91, 92, 94, 91, 90, another 91. So let's try and sort these now. So 7 and 8 here, then 5, 5, 6, 7, 9. Then I need 0 and 0, and then 2, and then my 5s, 1, 2, 3 of them. And then I have 2 sevens, and an 8. All right, and then I have a couple of zeros here. Then a couple, let's see, 3 ones. And then a 2. And then a 4. And then a 5. All right. And what best describes the data? Most of the scores seem to be in the 80s and 90s. So it's A. Does not appear to be normally distributed. For instance, that's something we'll talk about later, but it doesn't seem to have that bell shape. If we would turn it on its side, it seems to be skewed so that more of the data is to the right there with the higher scores. All right, that is it for this video, and we will come back next time and we will start talking about 2.3. See you for the next video.